Are you looking for the best oscillating tools in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best oscillating tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DEWALT 20V Max XR oscillating tool. Our top pick for the best oscillating tool is the impressive and reliable DEWALT 20V Max XR oscillating multi-tool. It allows users, both professional and recreational, to switch between 3 speeds using the versatile dual grip speed trigger to ensure precision and control. The brushless motor is also fantastic, and it guarantees long-term durability that a standard motor could not achieve. Because of this, you get a tool that is a fantastic value, suitable for many years, whether you use it every day or once a week, while still maintaining high performance and superb results. Up next in the 4th place is the Milwaukee M1818V Lithium-ion cordless oscillating tool. The Milwaukee M1818V Lithium-ion cordless orbiting multi-tool gives you plenty of options, from working as an oscillating saw to dealing with other types of home improvement tasks and projects. It boasts a maximum oppum oscillations per minute of 18,000 and has 12 speed settings. The all-metal gear case makes it highly durable and reliable, suitable for regular use, and ideal for craftsmen who need a tool they can trust every day. There is also convenient LED lighting that makes working in cramped and shaded environments much easier. The 3rd product on our list is the Makita 18V LXT cordless oscillating tool. If you're a professional tradesman who needs the finest oscillating multi-tool around, then Makita 18V LXT cordless multi-tool could be the ideal option for you. The tool operates between 6,000 and 2,000 oppum, and this gives you superb control and allows you to add the finishing touches to your project without the risk of overdoing it. The tool is set at a 3.2-degree oscillating angle that makes each task easy, straightforward, and comfortable. This angle also provides aggressive cutting and sanding for superb performance. The motor operates on an 18-volt battery and will last for 20 minutes, plenty of time to get the job done. Second on our list is the Dremel Multimax oscillating toolkit. If you're looking for a power multi-tool that comes with a range of easy-to-attach accessories, the Dremel Multimax oscillating DIY toolkit is ideal for you. It comes with 30 accessories and a handy storage bag to prevent any damage while in transit. The robust design makes it a dependable and long-lasting option, and the compact head is 30% smaller than other options in its class. This design causes less obstruction and also makes the whole tool lighter and therefore easier to control, so it's as suitable for beginners as much as it is professionals. Finally, the top product on our list is the Milwaukee M1212V cordless oscillating tool. The Milwaukee M1212V cordless multi-tool is undoubtedly the best value you can find when looking for an oscillating tool. It boasts a convenient universal adapter, as well as 12 speed settings 5.2 oppum to make it ideal for a range of different demands, while always ensuring that you deliver peak performance whether you're working for a client or adding the finishing touches to a home improvement project. You get a sanding head included, while the multi-purpose head is fantastic for grouting, and its compact design makes it easy to fit into tight spaces, while also guaranteeing comfort. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.